Hey there, bonus terms can be confusing, so let's make them simple. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Wagering requirement: how many times you need to bet the bonus before withdrawing. Time limit: usually you have a set number of days to use the bonus. Eligible bets: some bonuses only count for certain sports or games. Minimum odds: for sports, your bets must be above specific odds to qualify. Withdrawal rules: you can withdraw the bonus right away. Only winnings after requirements are met. So actually, that's it. If you remember these 5 rules, you'll never get surprised by the fine print again. And if the video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.